Hello students, in our last lecture we have started the concept of combustion. So under this topic we have discussed the activity 6.1 and 6.2, and for better understanding of the concept we will continue with the next topics. So we have read that sun produces its own heat and light. Is it also some kind of combustion? No. Why no? Because in case of burning of the sun, there is the nuclear fusion type of the reactions that are taking place. So in the sun, heat and light are produced by the nuclear reactions. So you will learn about this process in detail in your higher classes, but now the answer is no. This is not the example of the combustion type reaction because it is the nuclear fusion. Clear? Next activity 6.3. Place a piece of burning wood or charcoal on an iron plate or tawa. Cover it with a glass jar or a tumbler or a transparent plastic jar. Observe what happens. Does charcoal stop burning after some time? Yes. Why? Because there is the cut in the supply of the oxygen. That is the reason. Clear? You might have heard that when clothes of a person catch fire, the person is covered with a blanket to extinguish fire. Can you guess why? The reason is again same. When blanket is used to extinguish the fire, at that time the connection between the oxygen and the burning substances gets disconnected. So as a result, the fire will get extinguished very easily. Now recall some of your experiences. Does a matchstick burn by itself? How does it burn? You must have had an experience of burning a piece of paper. Does it burn when a burning matchstick is brought near it? Yes. Can you burn a piece of wood by bringing a lighted matchstick near it? No, it doesn't burn very easily. In case of the piece of paper, the ignition temperature is lower, so that's why when we are bringing the burning matchstick near it, then it will start burning very frequently. So why do you have to use paper or kerosene oil to start fire in wood or coal? Why we are using it? Because of the low ignition temperature of kerosene oil and piece of paper. They start to burn very easily. Have you heard of the forest fires? Do these experiences tell you that different substances catch fire at different substances? Yes. That is the reason that when we are bringing the matchstick near the wood piece, then it doesn't burn very easily. But in case of piece of paper, it starts burning frequently. The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called its ignition temperature. So here we can say that in case of piece of paper, the ignition temperature, that is the temperature at which a substance catches fire, is very low. So it starts burning very easily. Can you tell now why a matchstick does not catch fire on its own at room temperature? Why does the matchstick start burning on rubbing it on the side of the match box? We find that a combustible substance cannot catch fire or burn as long as its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. Have you ever seen cooking oil catching fire when a frying pan is kept for long on a burning stove? So kerosene oil and wood do not catch fire on their own at room temperatures. But if kerosene oil is heated a little, it will catch fire because of its lower ignition temperature. But if wood is heated a little, it would still not catch fire. Does it mean that ignition temperature of kerosene oil is lower than that of the wood? So does it mean that we need to take special care in storing kerosene oil? Because whenever it will going to absorb excess amount of heat, then it will go